Here at Morimoto, it never stops. If you have a 2017 Super Duty like the one behind me, I'm going to show you how to get rid of these boring lights and upgrade them up over to the Morimoto XB center marker lights. Let's get it. If you're going to upgrade your tails, headlights, grille, and others, don't leave the center marker light stock. The XB LED center marker lights from us are well built, have virtually an infinite lifespan, and an unbeatable warranty. It clearly outperforms the other option, easily making this the best center marker lights on the market today. Our center marker lights are UV coated polycarbonate lens that will resist the test of time, ensuring that they look good as new for many years to come. To save on cost, the cheap alternatives do not use a UV coated PC lens, and that will become obvious quickly. The Morimoto LED center marker for your Super Duty is designed to work out without any modifications. They will plug into the factory connectors, no error codes, no flickering, hyper flashing, or radio interference. They can easily be removed and not void your factory warranty. For increased safety, the XB LED center marker light also includes a brake light function. While our center markers might cost a little bit more compared to the rest on the market, it's as the saying goes, you pay for what you get. And we've seen it all. Our fit and finish is far superior to anything else on the market, guaranteed. First, we're gonna start by moving down by the license plate area so we can remove the OEM lights. It's a very simple removal. All you're gonna need is the T30 Torx to remove the 2 OEM bolts. Very simple install. As you see, the screws start backing out. Just be aware to be careful and hold the OEM unit so it doesn't just fall down to the ground. Now that it's loose, what worked for me is I tilted the OEM unit down so that way it can expose the plug. This plug is a little bit more difficult to get to, but still very much possible. Just unclip it from the back. And then go ahead and pull the OEM unit away. Now we're going to wrap up the install to the Morimoto XB center marker, but first I'm going to put this blue wire, feed it through to the driver's side, so that way it's ready for me to put the OEM plug in the back of the XB center marker. Now that everything's plugged back in, we're still dealing with electrical. Just make sure everything works. As you can see, we're all good here. And then just go ahead and reverse the install, starting with putting the screws back in. Now that we're all buttoned up, we're going to head under the truck bed so that way I can show you how to wire in the signal wire for the brake light. Included in the packaging is a T-tap. We're going to go ahead and take that wire that we routed over here and remove the sheathing and plug it into the back of the T-tap on this side. Then take your pliers and crimp this so that way it's weather protected. We cut the taillight harness loom open so we can get access to the white and green wire. That's the one we're going to tap into with the signal wire. This is a waterproof T-tap, but for more reassurance, I am going to cover this with electric tape to make sure everything is protected. And just like that, we wrapped up the install for your Morimoto center marker light. And it doesn't end there. We have so many products for your 17 and up Super Duty. We have tail lights, headlights, side markers, and more. Go to morimotolighting.com, enter your year, make, and model to see what other products we have for you.